In this video, we're diving into the best nail guns on the market, helping you find the perfect tool for your next project. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned professional, we've got you covered with the top options that deliver power, precision, and reliability. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with the Metabo HPT NR90AES1 framing nailer. This nailer delivers top-tier performance with its lightweight design and selective actuation. Whether you're framing, flooring, or decking, it gets the job done with ease. The NR90AES1 uses a toolless depth adjustment system, letting you fine-tune nail placement for perfect results every time. It's built for durability and comfort, weighing in at just 7.5 pounds to reduce user fatigue on long jobs. Plus, with a range of 2-inch to 3.5-inch plastic collated nails, it's versatile enough for any project. Best part? Metabo HPT backs it up with a 5-year warranty. You can grab it on sale for under $160. Perfect for professionals who need reliability without breaking the bank. Next up is the Paslode Cordless XP Framing Nailer 906300. This cordless nailer is powered by both a battery and a fuel cell, delivering up to 9,000 nails per full charge and 1,200 nails per fuel cell. Whether you're framing, roofing, or tackling hardwoods like LVL, this tool drives nails flush with ease. We put it to work in tight spaces and overhead, and the 7.2-pound design kept it light and easy to maneuver. Even in cold weather down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, it powered through the job without issue. The real standout is how consistently it delivers power and precision. At around $259, it's a solid investment for professionals looking for a cordless solution with all-season performance. Choose this tool if you want a no-compromise, hassle-free experience on the job. The Metabo HPT 18 Gauge Brad Nailer is a top choice for anyone in need of a reliable, precise finish. It's designed for everything from trim work to furniture building, delivering smooth results every time. With a 2.2-pound weight, this nailer feels light but doesn't sacrifice power or durability. It accepts 18-gauge brad nails from 5/8 inch to 2 inches, offering versatility for various projects. The selective actuation switch lets you switch between bump fire and sequential fire modes for optimal control depending on the task. It also includes a toolless depth adjustment dial for a perfect finish and a no-mar tip to keep your workpiece free from accidental marks. The 360-degree adjustable exhaust ensures that dust and debris stay away from your project. At $59, this tool offers professional-grade performance for both pros and DIYers, backed by a 5-year warranty. The Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer is the ideal tool for those looking for power and precision in a compact design. While it's a bare tool, it packs the punch of 18-volt battery power, giving you plenty of juice to get through a day's worth of finish work without the hassle of a compressor. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and easy to maneuver for tasks like trim work, furniture building, and cabinetry. We love how it drives nails with precision, making it perfect for those finishing touches. With its M18 battery compatibility, it's built to last and delivers consistent performance. For a cordless, high-powered brad nailer, you'll be hard-pressed to find a better tool. You can grab this versatile option for around $229, bare tool only, giving you a solid tool for your toolkit at a competitive price. Senco designed the SLS150Mg medium wire finish crown stapler to be a lightweight and efficient tool for professionals tackling finish and trim work. While it's not the lightest stapler out there, the magnesium construction makes it easy to handle all day without fatigue. The rapid-fire trigger impressed us with how quickly it drives staples, while the flip actuation switch offers easy control for both precision and speed. The no-mar tip is a nice touch, preventing damage to delicate surfaces. With a high-capacity magazine that holds up to 100 staples, you can stay productive longer, and the reload indicator ensures you don't run out unexpectedly. Plus, the 360-degree adjustable exhaust keeps your work area clean. Priced around $139, this tool is a reliable choice for both pros and DIYers looking to get the job done right.